This hair restoration of the South patient is a 27-year-old male who started a pre-surgical medical therapy of oral finasteride, 1 mg daily, and oral minoxidil, 2.5 mg daily. Dr. Nicole Rogers extracted 1,502 grafts during an FUE procedure, which her team immediately prepared and implanted. Here we see a comb through, 1 year post-operative, demonstrating an artistically created hairline. Next, we see a comb through of the donor area with virtually no visible scar. The patient stated that he loved the results.